before we go back into court, let's bring back in trial attorney Michael Jaafar to discuss. Michael, some of what you talked about earlier is playing out at this point. You can see some of the anger boiling up in this witness, although I'm not so sure how powerful her testimony is at this point.
Yeah, so far it's not. Listen, the venom is coming out because the state really hates Monica Simontelli, but it stands to be seen how valuable her insight is going to be into Monica Simontelli. Because here's the thing, Monica Simontelli, and I'm shocked with this, is like a caricature of a defendant. Right? She's falling into all of the old, you and I always joke about law school exam questions, right? And hey, a law school exam professor would never give you a criminal defense fact pattern of the cheating ex-spouse, the cheating spouse had a life insurance policy, and right after the death of the victim, she went about like having a professional business, getting access to said life insurance policy and bringing in everybody. She was just very professional. So she's a caricature of that person. So at the end of the day, Monica Simontelli's sister-in-law, former sister-in-law, is I don't know how much insight she's going to have into that part of her world, but at the end of the day, it is coming out. I think the state is going to really twist the knife now in the balance of her testimony, because what what everybody is looking at is, what were you doing? What was your life like? How were you conducting yourself before he died and immediately after he died? And her insight is going to be in that regard, because the state wants the jury to hate her. And why not bring in the family member of Fabio Simontelli to have the jury hate her as much as we hate her?